Welcome to Spoliation for Dummies with Tech Inquiries. What is spoliation? Our digital behavior leaves a mountain of information behind, which is stored in the memories of our electronic devices. Some people like to purge that data from time to time by deleting old emails or texts, while others simply let it pile up. But what does that mean in terms of evidence in a trial? If you partake in simple housekeeping, could that be deemed as the destruction of evidence? Spoliation of evidence is a term used when a party who is obligated to preserve evidence fails to do so. This failure to preserve refers to intentionally or unintentionally destroying evidence relevant to a legal proceeding. It could also refer to simply being negligent by withholding or hiding information. It's all about timing. How does it work? See, once litigation is reasonably anticipated, a party's duty to preserve evidence is triggered. The duty to preserve extends to any evidence that a party knows of or should know is relevant to the anticipated action. This includes electronically stored information. If you are accused of spoliation, you could be held accountable in court through a number of different sanctions, from financial penalties to even the possibility of shifting the burden of proof. How could it affect a court case? The moral of this story is, if you don't retain the evidence, it may be held against you. If you find yourself in a lawsuit, our methods can preserve your digital evidence for you, so you can avoid being accused of spoliation in the event of a trial. Many national law firms use us for this purpose to bulletproof themselves from the possibility of not preserving evidence. If accused of spoliation, the court may exercise a leveling mechanism once it finds that the party involved had a duty to preserve the evidence. This leveling mechanism could be presented as anything from allowing the jury to make assumptions based on the absence of evidence, up to a default judgment placed on the responsible party. It's our job as digital forensics examiners to either prevent our clients from being accused of spoliation of evidence or to discover whether spoliation has occurred. This is done by imaging all cell phones, computers, and emails, each device taking its own set of expertise to crack and various time frames to explore. Want to learn more about spoliation and how to avoid it? Give the team at Tech Inquiries a call or visit us online and see how our expertise can help.